I'm gonna from here. That howling. It sounds like a semi-truck starting up, but it's actually the wind. I mean, the winds, the gusts are able to get up to like about 65 miles an hour, but the wind is like about at least 35. And I think it's speeder pointing south. It's probably pointing south. Yes, the clouds just started to come. And no, all this wind is definitely not from a storm, but we're also under a fire weather warning and high wind warning is why this wind is so loud and strong. Wow, just wow. Here it goes. Do you guys think that's just the wind, or is that a Bigfoot howling? What the heck? Wind. What is going on? Wind definitely usually isn't this strong. No joke, guys. I can feel the wind inside my house.
Hello. Come on in. It's windy. To your right. Below you do. It'll get down to like usually 7 minutes on the rinse cycle, and it'll go back. And it'll start. It'll just keep doing the rinse cycle over and over. It does bounce around a lot, like it's off balance, but we never had the problem in the past, and
If it is not raining properly, that will do the same thing. Did you check that drip tab here?
yeah, I checked that, or I cleaned that, and it's clear. There was a little bit of stuff in it a month or so ago, but not much at all. Now, if you run it on just rinse and spin, it works fine. So, like, if it gets down to, like I said, it'll get into the spin cycle, and the thing will start moving a bunch, the whole thing. And then, but if you shut it off and put it on just the rinse and spin, it'll go through it no problem. That's what it sounds like it's doing.
Oh, and the date is March 14th. I mean, Friday, March 14th, 2025. Which the day earlier this morning at like 2 in the morning was total lunar eclipse. I'm not sad that I missed.
Check everything off. Let me set this out on the counter. Thank you. Very, very, very heavy.
Don't make that person fixing my flash.
I can. There's a dog in there, but I can shut the cage if you want. It's just really heavy.